Hey y'all, so it's your girl, Show Glizzy, Show in the building. And right now I'm home and it's Friday, but I just wanted to vlog a little bit because I'm with my little sister. I totally forgot to vlog me going to the place to get the sushi and just that whole thing. I don't know, I don't know where my brain was, but yeah, it's just a sister day with the little one, my baby sister, and we are just gonna be doing some painting. Got the sushi here. I got eel and she got avocado rolls, and yeah. Say hi, Naomi. Hi. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. Yeah, it's gonna be a good old time. So this is check-in. Do you think I should put an outline on the eye?
Of like a gray or like
No, like how I outlined it there, like with the black, like around. I think I should do that.
yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try to do that. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come back and just show y'all that this is how my painting turned out. I don't know if I'm really done. I feel like I might do something else, but this is where I'm at right now. And let me see yours, Naomi.
Wee.
And this is how my sister's is turning out. She's doing an anime character, so pretty good, pretty good. Talented, for real. All right. Hey y'all, so I'm back in downtown Silver Spring once more. I literally look crazy with this mask on. Like, having small ears and wearing this, it's not it. because I have to literally fumble around to fit it around my tiny ass ears and tiny head. But anyway, I'm down here to get bubble tea once again because that's my motherfucking jam. Stop playing with me. You already know. Yeah, we're down. Weather's warming up and we're really out here. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog when I get in there. Hey y'all, so I got a large this time because baby, I needed that. I needed that. And it's hitting like crazy. And it's such good weather out here today. And oh my gosh, my ear is just like poking out. Like, ew. Hold on. I do not like my ears out at all. They're so small. But let me take a new Instagram picture for my post because my hands look crazy in that. I'm one of those people. But yes, ma'am. It's hitting for what it needs to hit for. Like, it's so good. Not my lens being dirty. What the heck? If it's up, then it's a bookie bookie boo. Anyway, yes. I got my tea, so I'm so happy. I was literally shaking because I had breakfast this morning, but like I definitely need to eat a lunch. I haven't eaten lunch yet. But I kind of need to get groceries, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna vlog that though because y'all have already been seeing me going to the grocery store like a million times. Not doing that. But after that, then I'm just gonna edit the video that I posted earlier, and then that's gonna be that. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Cheers. Hey y'all, so I'm at home right now. I just got home from being out and I just wanted to check back in really quick. I'm just about to eat my lunch because I needed to eat a second meal by now. It's literally about to be 3 p.m. if it's not 3 already. I need help. But yeah, I'm just eating my lunch really quick. That's like a late ass lunch, but I'm gonna eat it because I need, listen, how many damn times do I have to say it? The gains, baby. So I'm gonna eat my lunch. It's plant-based spaghetti, so I'll show y'all a little quick snippet. And then I made some rotini pasta for it because I didn't feel like making spaghetti. And then I'm also getting some steamed broccoli. It's a little overcooked, so y'all gonna see it's not that bright green, but it's still healthy no matter what. And my makeup probably looks crazy already because when I was out, obviously I have to wear a mask, so just, you know, mess it all up. And then on top of that, I wear glasses, so it's probably, you know, but I don't know if it'll show up, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I don't have anything going on today besides me, you know, today was an off day for me, so I'm just chilling. But I'm gonna edit obviously because I need content up this week. No, I mean, only thing I posted one thing last week, but I need to post something else. So I'm gonna have my hair video up. Earlier y'all saw me out and I had my scarf on. I had that on because, listen, it wasn't like windy, but I knew there was a little breeze, so I didn't want to have to play with the leave out. And, you know, usually I wouldn't care, but I was just like, let me just put it on, you know, just to blend whatnot. But my hair is still holding up pretty nicely. I also forgot to mention that the Beauty Forever hair, I might try to include a voiceover of me mentioning this again, just so like if anybody had questions. But yeah, like the shedding on this hair, I think it's like standard, like every time I brush it, you know, there's hair coming out a little bit, but that's like the norm. So yeah, I'm just about to eat something. And my vlog that this, you know, is going to be a part of, it's going to go up probably at the end of March because I don't have much going on. March, baby, it's not March, it's April. I'm sorry. Not the end of April, actually, probably the middle of April, because I know I'm not doing anything else this week because it's just a busy week for me. But next week I know I'm gonna be doing something, so I'll show y'all then. But that's it for this week. So yeah, unless I hop in here with some other stuff going on, but I'll let y'all know. So yeah, hey y'all, so this is my lunch. I'm having the spaghetti like I mentioned. So yeah, I'm just about to eat this. I also forgot to mention that I will vlog again today. I'm just gonna vlog me cooking my dinner because it's different, and I'm gonna see how it turns out because I've never cooked this fish before. But yeah, I'll show y'all when I do that. Hey y'all, so right now today is Thursday, so I'm home. Today I went to the gymmy and I feel like I had a pretty decent workout. Like I was there for like 2.5 hours actually. Most of my time there though was glute activating. Like after I did cardio in the beginning, I was probably glute activating for like 45 minutes. Cause bitch, I'm trying to have a fat ass by June. Like, not even kidding, June, May, because baby, it's summer. Skin will be out. I will be damn near naked. Yeah, I'm not playing. Like, I was glute activating for a hot minute at the gym today, so. And I'm proud of myself because I actually felt it, you know, in my left glute, which is the one that I struggle with most, so I was proud of myself. If y'all hear any noise, it is my blinds that are over there. I have the balcony door partially open because it was nice today and it's just over there making a whole bunch of noise. But right now I'm home, of course, like I just stated in the beginning. And I'm just chilling now. Like, what else can I say about today? Oh yeah, I haven't met my calorie goals for the day yet. Like I need to eat this fucking protein burger, but like I'm actually really full. Like if I pull my shirt up, like y'all can't even really tell how bloated I feel, but like I feel super bloated because I did eat, you know, I ate substantially today, I would say. I just need to freaking finish that protein burger so I can get my calorie goals for the day, so I can get these motherfucking gains, okay? But like I'm super bloated, and I know it's because I'm about to be on my period, so you just feel different. Like I just know like she's either coming today, tomorrow night, Saturday, I don't know, but like I really just feel like damn, I'm really about to be on my period. Like my stomach just feels so weird, like how every time it feels like when you're about to be on your period. But anyway, right now I'm just catching up with my YouTube fave, so just gonna finish watching Kyra's vlog. I love her. She's just so cute and funny. And after watching her vlog, I'm gonna watch Aaliyah's Faces vlog. I have like all of the tabs open for my favorite YouTubers. I kind of already started hers, but I don't know. I just need to finish watching because they're hella entertaining. And they're kind of just inspo for me. Like, they're on Boss, you know. But yeah, I'm just about to finish watching, you know, these YouTube videos. And I'm gonna try to go to sleep early because I've just been feeling super exhausted this week. Like, I don't know. I just feel like if I could finally start going to sleep early again, I'll just feel like a whole new person because I have not been getting enough sleep and I need to. So yeah, I'm just gonna end my rambling here and I'll update y'all tomorrow on what I'll be doing. Hey y'all. So it's Friday and I look crazy right now. Today it's literally like, I think it's after 12 now. No, it's after 1. It's 1:11. And I'm literally feeling terrible, hence why I look awful. Like, got my period. I am just, oh my god, like my back is killing me and my stomach is also like, I don't know, it feels weird. Like, I don't get cramps or anything. Like my stomach is not cramping, but it's just like, I just feel like I have to like hunch inward or something. Like, it just, I'm just not feeling the best right now. And I'm supposed to go to the gym today, so I don't know, I'm just not really feeling right. But I really am trying to go because I'm not trying to have no days off because listen, summer's around the corner. Like, I'm trying to have my body right and together. So I think I'm just gonna take a nap and then see if I feel better then, because I just don't know. I think I will hopefully feel better so that I can go to the gym, because I know if I just go to the gym, like, it'll be okay, like I'll be okay. But right now, like, my energy's just a little low, so I need to figure out that. Earlier I worked on a new YouTube banner and my watermark. It's really, you know, basic, but I created a video on how I did that because I feel like even though I'm a very small channel, like, I just want to, you know, be of help to people who might be interested in knowing how to do something like that. Because yeah, I mean, if you have the software and the programs to be able to make a banner, why not do it if you don't know how? So I'm gonna create a tutorial on how to do that. I filmed me just doing it, like a screen recording on my computer, so that's gonna be up sometime soon. And then I'm just gonna either do like a voiceover, or I might just film myself talking about how I did it, because I want to have, you know, helpful things like that on my channel, because I do know how to use graphic design programs and stuff. But yeah, yeah, that's how my Friday's going so far. I'm going to check back in with y'all after my nap, because I'm just gonna try to take a nap and see how I feel after that. But yeah. Hey y'all, so I just woke up from my nap not too long ago. That's why it's super dark in here. And I just threw my hair in a ponytail and I put my hat on. And let's just ignore the mess on my fucking bed. Like, I don't even want y'all to see that. It is literally like my sheets are coming off and I just don't feel like trying to fix it, because I just don't have the energy. But I have my Nike cap. And then this sports bra, I think this is from Reebok, but there's no logo or anything. I don't know where it is. I feel out of breath. And I just have one of these leggings. These are from Forever 21 actually. And low-key my butt's actually getting bigger because these leggings are supposed to go, like, this hem is supposed to go like where your I guess like where your butt would meet your back or something, and like I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but like there's a little expansion happening to the back there. So yeah, and they're supposed to be high waist, but I'm actually so grateful for these freaking leggings today because I'm so bloated. Like if I were to pull this down, I'm gonna pull it down to show y'all, but like you can kind of see I'm bloated already, but like this is really helping to keep my stomach in, because like, not even kidding, like I don't know, it might not look that crazy, but I just feel so like bloated. Like I feel so like big body right there, and I'm literally, I don't care, I have to put some panties on because I'm wearing a liner with my panties because I'm not trying to have no accidents. Anyway, about to go to the gym. Literally about to head out. I was only sleeping for like less than an hour, which is perfect because I don't want to, you know, be in too deep of a sleep. I was not in a deep sleep at all, because then I won't be able to go to sleep tonight on time. But yeah, I'm about to head out, and yeah, I'm not gonna vlog doing anything there, but I'll vlog on my phone that I made it to the gym at least. So see ya. Oh my gosh, I look so fucking crazy. Please, please, please. It actually looked worse on camera, but I'm a little sad right now because I just saw on somebody's story that DMX died, and that's really sad. Like, first of all, I hate that when any type of celebrity is in the news because of like them being, whatever the case is, like them either having it to do with the drugs or whatever reason, like, or they will just randomly just be making up that these celebrities have died and there's no proof of that. Like I just hate that about social media. Like they were saying he was dead for like weeks now, not weeks, a couple days or however long he's been in the hospital since he OD'd, and I'm just like, you know, the internet needs help because that's not normal, and it's very weird to just be saying this person died when they didn't die and there's no proof of them dying, because they could very well die. Like I really believe in the power of words, and that, you know, what you speak can literally become, you know, the truth. So you really have to speak life at all times, like at all times. Oh, why the fuck did I get in this lane? I don't know if is this bus gonna stop. Why hasn't this bus stopped? Damn it. Anyway, it's whatever. But right now I am literally pulling into PF. I'm pulling into Planet Fitness. 2 seconds. 1 second. Let me just, I hope my camera, I have it facing front, but like, yeah, I'm literally just gonna find some parking and get this workout on. I actually feel so much better right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna park and talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, it's Monday morning, and right now I'm on my way to help my friend move. And baby, like the whole trying to get here, I'm not even anywhere close to where she is, which is crazy because I'm supposed to be there in 12 minutes, 13 minutes, and like the way, I don't know why, but like back there was literally all 3 miles of, you know, this particular road that you have to get on was closed off for some reason, and it was really stupid. I literally, because I know this area, but I don't live around here, so I wouldn't have remembered how to get around to be on this main road, this main highway, to get to where I need to be. So it really took me a hot second, but I'm finally on the way. So yeah, I just wanted to vlog that. That's what I'm doing. I'm on my way driving up. I'm not going to Baltimore. I'm not fucking, anyway, it's like close up to like Baltimore area, not really Baltimore, but it's like I'm going north, I guess. But oh yeah, I am going north. I just saw a sign that was literally me like trying to be all fancy with directional terms. But yeah, I am actually going north. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to vlog that because, you know, I didn't vlog this weekend because I didn't really have nothing going on. But when I get back home, closer to where I live, I'm also gonna vlog and show y'all what I'm up to. Nothing major, but I need to go pick up a package from Zara, so I'm so excited. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, and I'll see y'all really soon. Hey y'all, so I really needed to come back on here and just say how badly I have to fucking piss. Like, I had oatmeal this morning, and like that was it. I drank a little water to swallow my pills, and that was it. And I have to pee so bad, and I already pissed this morning, so I'm like, why do I have to pee so bad again? I'm just like, what the fuck? I'm losing it. Like, I ain't got nothing to piss in this car, because like I'm on the highway, as you can see. I'm literally driving. Like, what the fuck? Ugh. So I am at the mall. I'm here to pick up my order first from Zara. Let me flip over. Anyway, got my order. I'm so excited for this. I'm not gonna be wearing this until so much later, but I just want to start getting like my summer pieces together, or of course, which is also silly because I have more summer clothes than anything, and like I live on the East Coast. It's only summer once a year. But anyway, I'm so out of breath right now, but right now I'm on my way to Sephora. I think it's on this floor. I think it's upstairs, yeah. Because I want to smell some perfumes. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out where that is. Okay, just made it to Sephora. So, only in here for one thing and one thing only. I just want to smell perfumes. Hopefully I can just do that. I don't know if they have to do that for me. But these are some perfumes. So I actually have a list of some perfumes that I want to sample in the store. Ooh, whatever this one is, whatever this diffuser is, smells crazy. I'm guessing it's this one. Smells good. Anyway, let me just bring up my list. These are the perfumes I want to see if I can sample. So I'm about to ask them for help. Okay, y'all. So right now I'm leaving the mall. I just came from Sephora and I was literally just sampling all types of perfumes. Let me see, where did I just put the... Oh yeah, I just put all the sample strips like in my bag, but oh my gosh, I was basically smelling the ones that Aaliyah's Face and Kyra Monique and Rihanna Monique talked about. You know, I follow those girls, so I wanted to see what, you know, those scents in person were smelling like and stuff. And let me tell y'all, they all smelled really good. So I plan on buying. Let me go over my list so that I can tell y'all which ones smell really good. Oh my gosh, there's just so many perfumes I need to buy. I'm gonna be in debt because I need all those scents. But so Clean Reserve Skin was a really good one. I had to wait a while for me to actually get to like I guess, base notes to see, because you know when you first spray perfume, like the top notes are really strong, but that's not how the perfume actually smells when it settles. So I actually like that one. And then the next one that I sampled was not one that they talked about, but I still really liked it. It was called My Way by Armani. And then I also sampled Dolce & Gabbana Garden. And I also got to sample Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. They didn't have Lancome in there, so I couldn't sample the Lancome one. And I know I'm in Nordstrom right now, I could just stop, but I want to go home. But then I also did try out Tom Ford's Bitter Peach, but I didn't really like that one actually. I thought it smelled weird, so yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna buy that. Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, oh my gosh, like, listen, you can smell cherry and you can also smell vanilla. It's so good, like, I have to get it. And then I also sampled this perfume called Vanilla Woods by the Seven Virtues, and that one was really nice. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. I plan on buying that and then doing my starter perfume video. And then the last perfume that I was in love with that I smelled, it's called Twilly by, who's that by? Oh my god, it smells so good. Like, it's like clean, and baby, that's what I want to smell like. I couldn't even film inside of the mall. I mean, inside of Sephora. I don't even think I said why, but I think it's because I'm black, honestly. I just feel like anytime you're actually visibly melanated, there's suddenly like a bunch of rules at certain places that have to be followed. It's so annoying, because I just know if I was a different shade that wouldn't even be the case, but whatever. But anyway, the perfume that I sprayed myself with that I smell so fucking good right now, it's called Twilly, and Brianna talked about it, and I think so did Kyra. But anyways, Twilly smells so fucking clean, smells so good. It's so ironic how I'm leaving the mall and the same people who literally walked in before me are like leaving after me. So funny. But yeah, I'm wearing Twilly. I literally sprayed it on me because I was like, nah baby, I gotta smell like this. I'm losing it. Like, it smells like, I think it was described to have like florals, but it also smells so freaking clean. But anyway, that was 5 minutes of just rambling about perfumes. But yeah, I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna pick up at some point. Hey y'all. So it's been a couple days since I vlogged, and I haven't really been doing much this week, hence me not vlogging. So I wanted to vlog now and show y'all what I'm about to do. But before I get there and show y'all what I'm doing, I just wanted to mention that you know, for some reason these last couple weeks, this last month or whatever, like, I've noticed, like, I feel like my face has changed, like, shape. I could be exaggerating, or I could be noticing it very subtly, but you know, I'm always just like saying this anyway. But honestly, yeah, my face to me seems different. Like, it just seems more round under my jaw and stuff, and I can see, I don't even know what to call this. I don't know if it's a double chin. When I touch hair, it's kind of like firm, like it feels like a muscle. Like, it actually feels kind of sore when I push into that. So I don't know what's going on, like, under my jaw and shit. I think it could be the fact that I had skipped out on wearing my retainer, which I had done a couple days, or like, you know, a week completely, just because I felt like, why do I keep wearing my retainer if I feel like my face is changing anyway? But I did put it back in, you know, I think earlier this week, and I've been wearing it, trying to. I can't really fit it now, and it's so insane to me because I only didn't wear it for like a couple days, and it really does not fit like over my teeth anymore, so that worries me. But under here it's just like so swollen and tight, and also like I just feel like my face has no structure right now, and it bothers me because I feel like I wish I had a jawline and shit like that. But anyway, my retainer is actually pretty much done for anyway because I've had it since 2014, and the material that it's made out of, I'm not exactly sure, but it's some kind of like acrylic something. And you know, I cleaned it, you know, as much as I could while I was wearing it, and even now I still try to clean it as best I can with baking soda and vinegar. But it still gets a lot of buildup, you know, in between where, you know, the grooves of my teeth go and stuff like that. And I don't know, it's really hard. And also I've literally had it for like 7 years. So with that in mind, like, of course it's gonna be, you know, looking the way it looks. I'm not gonna show y'all what it looks like. It looks disgusting. I don't want to show that. But like, if you've had a retainer made out of that material, you would know. Or if you've had any type of like night guard situation, you would know over time, you know, the material just naturally gets kind of disgusting, and there's not much you can do other than what I mentioned before with like baking soda and vinegar and using these little pre-tablets that are supposed to help clean, you know, the material. But anyway, I was also recommended to get a night guard by my dentist because I do suffer from, I was really about to say lockjaw, baby. I don't have lockjaw. Lockjaw is when you can't even open your mouth. I have, I can't remember. It's when your teeth grind. So I think it's called Bruxism. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I have that. Like, I literally grind my teeth, or like I bite down and I like, you know, I clench my jaw when I'm stressed or like in my sleep. I can't control it. Like, obviously when I'm awake, I try to like, you know, be conscious or cognizant of that, but like when I'm kind of like out of it, of course, like it's involuntary, so it's just gonna happen. So what I did was I got a night guard, you know, that they sell at Target. I'm gonna show y'all. I got the night guard because I was recommended to get a night guard from my dentist. I decided to get a little quick fix. Hopefully it works out for me from Target. And so yeah, let me just show y'all what came in the package. I'm about to do it because I just want to have, you know, it ready for me because I'm about to take a nap and I want to see like how it feels and stuff. Please ignore this loud ass fan. I did tell y'all that, you know, my bathroom fan is so loud, but let me just show y'all the kit that it came with. So this is the brand that I bought. It was $20 from Target, and basically it came with this storage tray. So it came with the storage tray, it came with this tray that you put in your mouth, and as you can see, this clear bit here, that's what the night guard's gonna be when I, you know, heat it up and put it in my mouth. Hopefully that'll like kind of act as like a new retainer in a way to kind of keep my bite, you know, I don't really know how to explain it, but it kind of just, it absorbs the impact of your mouth moving around and stuff. And then it came with this instruction sheet. So I'm gonna do it, you know, this way because that says that's the preferred way of doing it, over doing it with like microwaving the water and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to do that. Because I'm tired of having my mouth hurt and stuff and having like a weird jaw. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that really quick. I don't even know if I did this right. I feel like I fucked it up, and like that's so annoying because this shit was $20. I'm returning it and I'm gonna get a new one. So what the fuck? Okay, y'all, so clearly I don't know how this is supposed to help me because bitch, it's not even covering my whole entire mouth. Like, it's covering my molars but nothing else. Like, this is gonna fall off. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with that? What the fuck am I supposed to do? Like, I really thought I was gonna be able to sleep with this. I can't sleep with this in because it's not all the way in. Like, what is supposed to cover your whole fucking mouth there? I'm gonna just return this and get a new one and try again, but this is insane. This was a fail. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to end the vlog here. I know I look absolutely crazy right now. I needed to wash my hair today. I didn't get a chance to do that. But anyway, I just pretty much, I know, left off with basically saying that the night guard situation didn't work. I wouldn't recommend you guys getting that and doing it unless you don't have like dental work already, because I feel like if you've had braces before, I don't know, there's just a chance that things could, you know, turn out terribly. I don't I don't know that they will, but like there's a chance it could, because when I did the little thing earlier, I just don't think it can do like what a real dentist night guard could do, because I just felt like the mold wasn't soft enough to get my real mold of my teeth and bite. So I felt like it was kind of uncomfortable, and when I wore it a little bit when I was trying to take a nap, it was actually kind of painful, so I removed it. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend you guys to do that. I'm gonna try a different one, maybe one that's more expensive, just to see, but I'm actually gonna return it and get my money back. But anyway, I just wanted to end the vlog here. I know my energy has been, I literally just feel so ugh, but I'm just trying to hang in there. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I know, I don't even know what I've done, honestly. I'm just gonna have to like watch it back and figure it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.